Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unsync OneDrive on your PC without deleting any of your files. So this is going to allow them to stay safe on your computer or cloud. So first, simply click on the OneDrive icon in your taskbar. So it's going to look like a little cloud symbol. Then simply navigate to Settings. Next, you then have to go to the Account tab and click Unlink this PC. So this is then going to stop OneDrive from syncing to your computer, and your files will then remain on your PC in the OneDrive folder, and any other files that are already uploaded to the cloud will stay in your OneDrive account online. So after this, OneDrive will no longer be synced, but your files will be safe and accessible both locally and in the cloud. And that's it. So that's how to unsync OneDrive on your PC. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.